to welcome each one in our classroom. We are so happy to see you. We are going to be a part of that show which you will come to know. Which food is best for our health, junk food or healthy food? Let's see. Who are you? I am healthy food leader. Healthy food leader? Yes, healthy food leader. We give you lots of vitamin and minerals. Okay. And who are you? I am junk food leader. Junk food leader? Yes, I am junk food leader. We take boring food. Try some. Eat me. Eat me. I am pizza with lot of cheese. Eat me. I am meat. I make a bone and muscle strong. Me, I am chocolate. Eat me. I am vegetable. I give vitamins and make you fit. Eat me. I am chips. I am crunchy and crisp. Eat me. I am clouds. I am good for eyes and skin. Eat me. I am ice cream. I'm so chill. Eat me. I am fruit to keep your body free from disease. I am really confused now. What do I eat? What do I eat? Idea. I'll give you a challenge. Let's see who will win. Now I know junk food makes me weak and healthy food makes me strong, and it also helps me to grow. My mama will also be happy. Listen friend, healthy foods don't have to keep yourself healthy and happy. There are little things you can do every day to keep yourself healthy. Answer regularly. Be hygienic. Wash and thoroughly. Bath regularly. Colorless has no smell and tasteless liquid. We drink it when we are thirsty. All living things need water to live. We can live without food for some time, but we cannot live without water for more than 1 or 2 days. Now we see that the water is essential and crucial for our life. Let's see. Water on the earth is depleting day by day. Hey, what are you talking about? How are we decreased it? It is water. But I have heard that our earth is covered with water from 3 sides. Then how can there be shortage of water? Because the water is not potable. Why? Hey, because the water is salty and that water that is potable is very limited. And if we continue to consume water, so what problems may our future generation Friends, lunch break हो गया है. वाटर बॉटल फ्रीज करने चलते हैं. हाँ चलो. फ्रेंड्स, टैप में तो पानी नहीं आ रहा है. अरे, मेरी बोतल में थोड़ा सा पानी है. चलो साथ में पी लेते हैं. अरे बट इतने से पानी से सबकी कैसे प्यास बुझेगी? आज that's why I misused. कर रहे थे हम बहुत बड़ी गलती, शायद उसकी सजा बहुत बड़ी मिलती. We will not leave the tap running while brushing. Take only as much water you have to drink. Promise? We will not use shower for bathing while control the water misuse. We will not use pipe to wash car and control the wastage of water. अब समझ गए हैं हम पानी की वैल्यू. हमारी आंखें खोल देने के लिए तुम्हें दिल से थैंक यू. बूंद बूंद पानी की करेंगे हम रक्षा. हम भी समझ गए हैं, दूसरों को भी समझाएंगे. जल ही है जीवन, ये बात सबको बताएंगे. Save water, save life. Thank you. समूह शिक्षक एवं मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों को मेरा सुप्रभात. जैसा कि आप सभी को विदित है, आज हमारा कक्षा 4 का हिंदी का क्लास शो है. मैं अनन्या आप सभी को स्वागत करती हूँ. अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी अपने सहपाठियों को जो आपके समक्ष कुछ तथ्य प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं. जो मैं ताली से स्वागत करूँ. बंधुओं में सामाजिक भावनाएं इतनी अधिक होती हैं कि अगर कोई एक बंधन बीमार हो जाए तो उस समूह का हर बंदर खाना पीना छोड़ देता है। वाह बच्चों, देखा आपने बंदरों में भी कितनी एकता व सहानुभूति है। हम मनुष्य में भी इतना प्रेम होना चाहिए। अब पंखुड़ी समग्र छात्र अपने नए रोचक तथ्य बताएंगे।
केवल मधुमक्खी ऐसा कीट है जिसका भोजन शहद मनुष्य खाता है।
इंग्लैंड ही माल ऐसा देश है जिसके टिकट पर देश का नाम नहीं छपा होता। वाह बच्चों, देखा आपने, आप सचमुच बहुत अच्छे रोचक तथ्य ढूंढकर लाए थे। इसीलिए इनाम के तौर पर मैं आपको पुस्तक मेला दिखाने ले जाऊंगी। वहाँ आपको जो भी पुस्तक पसंद आएगी आपसे ले सकते हैं। अब हम सोमवार को मिलेंगे। कि मेरे सहपाठी ने आपको संसार की चिंताओं से अवगत कराया होगा, तो क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कौन सा जीव ऊंट से भी अधिक दिनों तक बिना पानी पिए जीवित रह सकता है?
एक मिनट, hands up, right? Okay, clapping.
जिसका भोजन मनुष्य खाता है।
ठीक है।
Attentively सुना है इन लोगों ने
हाँ,
इसका मतलब।
yes.
Very good.
बहुत बढ़िया।
Hands down, hands down. Very good.
but I am also great. I am the girl. All of the nutrients have great body, golden head, to stop. I am great. Do you know all people actually food containing? Or do you know I have two body warm and observation. Thank you.
Hi guys, you eat those where my max nutrients we help to keep the body healthy. We to the play with the role healthy and fit. Do you know that we have brands for protective force? So I protect people from diseases.
Hey friends, will be allowed to speak. I am Rapesh. No, I have role 2. I help removing the waste from people's body.
Hey guys, have a look at me. Do forget me like that. You don't have important. I am health, digestive, and regular body temperature.
Hey friends, excuse me, can you allow me to speak? Who are you? Hey, I am a Valentine. It's you all join hands together, but why are you fighting all? Where no one is great. Everyone has their own rules. Keep the body healthy. And don't argue like this. If we keep fighting, how can we convince the poor girl Tia who was not eating a balanced diet? Please come.
And now, Tia's house.
I had explained with balanced diet all the nutrients came to our house and explained me how to eat balanced diet with the right amount of nutrients.
Really? It's so surprising. Tia, just see who's at the door. Tia opened the door. Tia is shocked to see the balanced diet and all nutrients in our house.
Hey, I am a balanced diet. Here are my friends who can come to convince that all nutrients have importance to the keep body healthy. Friends, I had you all in my dream last night. Bye.
Thank you all for changing my daughter's food habits.
Welcome.
Keshav, do you know about ball and socket joint?
The shoulder and hip region have the ball and socket joint. They allow movement in all directions.
Now, Paridhi, do you know about gliding joint?
This part type of joint is found between bones which meet on flat surface. It allows to the slide against each other.
Now, Shortcut, which part of our human body is this? It is a type of joint where the end of two bones meet. It allows rotation. These were the movable joints which can easily move. Now, Saras will tell you about immovable joints.
Immovable joint, the joint that cannot be moved are called immovable joint. A joint of the skull to join the joint of the tibia and fibula in the ankle, and the joint between the cage and wrist bone are immovable joints.
Thank you.
फोर्थ और फिफ्थ यहाँ प्रेजेंट है। हाँ, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी प्रस्तुति दी। घबराना नहीं है, जल्दी जल्दी नहीं बोलना है। अभी जिन बच्चों ने प्रेजेंट किया, क्या कर रहे थे? दोबारा हम लोगों ने रिपीट किया, जल्दी बोल रहे थे। तो जल्दी बोलना नहीं है, ऐसे बोलना है कि हमारी बात जो हम बोले वो समझ में आए। हाँ, जब हम एंकरिंग कर रहे हैं तो इतनी आवाज में बोलनी है कि हमारी बातें सुन सके लोग, राइट? आप लोगों के लिए जोरदार तालियां, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा किया। Each one of you were trained by your teacher and you did excellent. बस बातें नहीं करनी है, अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन को फोकस करना है और अच्छे से अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन देना है। Every month you come on this stage with class show. हर month आप आते हैं ना? हाँ? हर month आप आते हैं। आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन और अच्छा करने का स्कोप होता है ना? Congratulations to all the teachers who prepared the children for the presentation.